Can you see?
Yes, sir, I can see it.
Okay.
Sir, I have actually have a couple of doubts after yesterday's class.
Okay.
So yesterday, the first part, what we did was creating with that rectangle tool, right? Rectangle and elliptical tool.
Yes.
So once we draw that rectangle thing, it's more like a selection, right? But how do you make that like just a rectangle? I mean, like because what do you press in order it to be selected? Like when I draw the rectangle, it's just dotted lines. It's not a straight line.
Mm-hmm. One second. Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah.
You are asking about this rectangle tool.
Yes, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir.
I'm not doing anything. Just simply I'm drawing this one.
Yes, sir. But yeah, but in order to, so it just is remains like that, or it becomes like proper solid lines, sir.
No, it will come with the dotted lines only. But if you want to fill the color, or if you want to do some other thing, you have to do that.
Oh, okay, okay.
Example, if I
No,
want to
I
fill,
had,
if I want to fill the color on this one, so I have to take the layer
yeah.
and then I have to fill the color. Alt backspace and control backspace like this.
Ah, okay, okay. No, yeah, I did this, but I was just a bit confused if it'll be dotted lines or like solid line.
Dotted lines will not come because unless and
Uh,
until you remove this one now. See, control D.
yeah, so haha,
Control D.
Control D.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Because the selection is done, once my object is created, then we have to remove that selection. Now this one is there.
Oh,
If I want to remove this dotted line, control D.
okay.
So these three tools are done.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
done. So now last
Uh,
thing, yes.
and this laser tool, sir. So what I did was I took an image and I tried to
1 minute.
draw.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah.
मैं बंद करता हूँ अभी थोड़े से जाता हूँ ये
बनना है या नहीं बनना ये बोलो
yeah. So
So
yes, yes please.
I took an image to get the outline of it. So what happens is I got some of the unwanted extra as well in the selection.
Okay.
So in order to get rid of that unwanted stuff, do you use which tool? So is the same as a selection subtract tool or
Based on that one, example, one
yeah,
second. Based on your selection, what you have done, like example.
yeah,
Okay, a lasso tool is there. Now I've done the
yeah,
selection. Okay, by mistake,
yeah,
1 second.
yeah.
Now I've started it. By mistake, I got some extra one here now.
Yes, yes, just like
Sometime
this,
I
sir.
got subtraction one.
Yeah,
Okay. Now how to just get rid of this one. So what this is what extra one. So we need to use
yeah,
subtraction.
yeah. Oh, okay,
Subtraction here now. Properly select it, come back outside and close it like this. Whenever
okay,
you're
okay.
using addition means we need this extra portion to be selected.
Yeah.
Take
So yeah,
addition and draw the selection outside perfectly in this one. And
okay,
inside portion you can go it like this and you can close.
okay, sir. Okay, understood.
Any other doubt?
No, no, sir. These only these two.
Okay, done. So these three we have done today. So we'll start with this one.
Yes, sir.
One is move
Okay.
tool and one is hardboard tool. This is very useful tool throughout the Photoshop. Okay,
Okay.
unless and until you touch this one, we will not start. Will not do anything. Will not close the application.
Okay, sir.
So this is move tool. Example, I'll close this picture. Now I'll
Yeah.
create one shape,
Okay.
new layer, and apply pattern. Okay, again new layer and control backspace. We have two options.
Okay.
Okay, you see. So what I'm doing now,
Okay.
example, if I want to move this right side, this red color one, okay, if I
Yes,
don't
sir.
have this auto select option enabled,
Yeah.
okay, now my cursor is on the red color. If I move it, which one is moving?
Only the yellow one smart.
Yeah. If I want to move this red color, I need to go to the layer panel. I need to select this red color. Then I have to move this one towards right side.
Okay.
Then if I want to move the left side yellow, yellow on the left side, I see it is not doing. Again, what I have to
Yeah.
do? I need to go to the layer panel. But instead of going to the layer panel, we have an option here. Right click on this one. We have option here.
Okay.
Artboard, nothing but this one. Layer number 2, nothing but
Okay.
this yellow color layer.
Yellow one. Okay, sir.
Select this and try to move this one. Most of the designer,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
they use this technique only. Right click and they select this one. But what happen if you have a 500 or 600 layers? That time very difficult to find which layer it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes overlapping objects will be there. Like example, right now, see our overlapping object is there. If I right click on this one, I'm seeing 1, 2, and artboard. Artboard I can understand.
Artboard. Yeah.
But 1 and 2 is which one is 1, which one is 2. We have to go to the layer panel to understand that one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is
Yeah.
a little difficult to understand and move this one. But some of the designers they do this one. Still they are doing this one now because
Okay,
they are
sir.
habitual of this one.
Okay.
Okay, but for us, easy option is what? Whenever you are having a huge collection of layers in this layer panel, that time
Yes,
we
sir.
use this auto option to select automatically from the canvas itself. Now see, if
Okay.
I click and if I move it, now see, it is moving. Selection. One by one we can do the selection, see. Now already selected, now
Okay.
yellow is selected. Now easily I can move by using a selection, auto selection option, without going to the layer panel. Even I
Okay,
don't
sir.
have to right click also here.
Okay.
Simply I can select, I can move it. Even it is if it is overlapping maximum area, even we can touch and we can bring it out now. See over here like
Okay,
this.
sir. Okay.
Okay. So this is how we can use this option. That is auto selection
Auto
option.
select.
Second option is there show transform control. Okay.
Okay.
What is the show transform control? Nothing but bounding box you will get in this one. This bounding box you will get. With the help
Okay.
of bounding box, you can increase the width, the height, and everything here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we can increase the size of the
Okay,
object
sir.
now. Now even you can
Okay.
use this one or we can use the corner also to do the same thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So means what happened now in the latest application from 2020 onwards. Okay, they have
Yeah.
reversed certain keyboard shortcuts. If you check the
Okay.
old one and new one has a certain changes in this one. What is the changes? Now earlier one in old version before 2020. Okay, what we
Yeah.
have to do? We have to hold our shift button. Also, we have to use Alt and shift button to increase the foresight like this. But
Okay, sir.
what is happening? I am increasing only one direction here now. See.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, even if I am using this one, it is increasing from all sides by using Alt button.
Yeah.
Now this we have to use Alt and shift to increase the size from all sides.
All sides. Okay.
But here no need to do in the as a latest application. Simple option. What we have to do? Drag this one from any one corner or any one control point to increase height and width both.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now example, if I want to decrease from all side, only you have to hold Alt button to decrease the size from all four sides, increase the size also.
Okay.
In this, if you want to do this one in the older version, Alt and Shift you have to hold. Here only Alt. That's enough.
Okay, sir. Understood.
This was the little changes we have made it in. Where they have made it very simplified. This one. That's it.
Yeah.
Instead of complicated keyboard shortcut, which is commonly used, that there they made it as a primary, and secondary for the other one, which is not used regularly.
Okay. Okay,
So
sir.
this is how the
Yeah.
object can be increased. Second one, it can be rotated also. Let's see, I am holding shift button to decrease the size and I'll move this outside. Now we can see
Yeah.
my object
Okay.
is flatter here now. So by using shift button, I have done this one now.
Okay.
Okay. Now rotate it like this now. See, I can rotate it now.
Okay, sir.
Now what
Yeah.
I do in this one, let me make this as cross one, a turning point we can say, as a crossroad we can say or something like this. This is, assume this is car now.
Okay.
I will move it now like this. Now it is starting here now. Okay, it has to rotate and it has to come here now like this.
Yeah.
So what? Select this one. Try to keep it near it now. Now what we have to do? We have to place this reference point in the center to rotate this one. Now see what happened? To rotate like this.
Okay.
So the reference point is very important, but reference point is not enabled by default in latest application.
Okay.
Right?
Okay,
Have to
sir.
be disabled like this. You can't see the reference point. But how to
Yeah.
do it? Now example you can see right now if I use Control T, reference point is not available. What to do
Yeah.
for doing this kind of job? So enable the reference point from here now. Here is it. You can
Okay.
click this one. You can click this one. So and it will enable. Then move this reference point to the center by dragging and dropping here in the center.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then rotate this object now. See, rotate.
Okay.
Okay. Like this, you can rotate.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Yeah. So this is what reference point we are having in the move tool now. Once you select Control T, once you use Control T, then only this option will be available for you.
Okay.
Okay. Now example, again
Yes,
I
sir.
remove this show transform control. This is not available. Right now we have seen this auto select option. Now one more option
Yeah.
is there over here, group and layer. Not now, but
Yeah.
later when I disclose the group option, that time I will explain what is the option and how to use this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
But
sir.
right now,
Yeah.
you should keep this as a layer. Later, when we create the group, that time we'll take this option and we'll see
Okay.
this one. How we can so use this one. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Let's come back to the next one. Now this is done. First one, that is move tool. What we can do,
Yeah.
we can rotate, we can modify, and we can move, and we can select. Okay.
Yes,
By
sir.
using this tool.
Yeah.
Now coming back to the next tool, that is artboard tool. Okay.
Okay.
Artboard tool, okay, can be used for increasing and decreasing this white color area, nothing but artboard area. You can see
Okay.
right now, this is complete artboard. Now if I
Yes, sir.
select also, I'm not having any changes in this one. Now if I want to change the color of the background now, I can select this. But what happened, there is no effect to the artboard, even though I've changed
Yes,
it.
sir. Yeah.
Because my artboard is not selected, my layers are selected here.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we need to select the artboard. Now once you click the artboard, now see what happened. What happened? We got some plus signs around the
Yes.
artboard, you can say, on the left,
Artboard.
right, up and
Yeah.
down now. Okay. This
Yes,
plus
sir.
sign indicate plus sign is used for creating a new artboard on this one.
Okay.
Like this, you can click and you can add a number of artboards. And which direction you want to add, that is your choice. You can
Okay.
add like this now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But again, the first one is what you are creating a new artboard. Now for the new artboard, you can define the size also. How we can
Okay.
define the size? By going to this option and we can define the size. But once your artboard is selected, here this artboard is selected in the layer
Yeah.
panel, then only this option will be available. Example,
Okay.
web small, now it has decreased little bit. Now if I want, I can go with the max, this big one also. Different sizes. we have
Okay.
in this one.
Yeah.
Or else manually we can place the cursor on this control points and adjust it.
Okay.
Manually we can do this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is what custom size, preset sizes we are having. Custom size can be
Yeah.
defined here, or else manually we can do the modification from the canvas itself.
Sure. Sure, sir.
Next is orientation. We can change this one landscape to portrait mode. See,
Portrait. Yeah.
portrait and landscape mode.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now another one, the color
Yeah.
which was not changing, now we can change the color. Now we can say background transparent, or we can say
Yeah.
other color in the sense we can choose the color, what color we want is as a background of this one.
Okay.
Even
Okay.
if you click here, that is the same one now, for example.
Yeah.
You can apply this. So this is
Okay.
how we can take the new page in this one. No new pages we can see in this one. Okay. So this is what artboard
Yes.
option. So artboard option can be useful to create a new artboard, create a customized size. Okay, and we can change the orientation and we can change the background color of the artboard.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Right. Let's close this one. Next option. Now this artboards are done. This move tool is done now. Okay. Next
Yeah.
option is what? Frame tool. What is this?
Okay.
frame tool.
Frame tool.
Okay. So this is available in 2021 and 2022, but it's not there in 2020 also. This one.
Okay.
So now example, you can select this frame and you can draw the frame on this canvas. You can see this is a
Okay.
frame. And second, in
Yeah.
this one we have elliptical frame also. It will look like same. But you see the
Okay.
inside portion, you will see.
Circle. Yeah. Yeah.
Select this object. Okay. Now go
Yeah.
to the file option and say place embed. Place embed.
Yeah.
Now go and select this image. Which image you want to place it? One second. Let me select this one and say place now. So you can see that.
Yeah.
What happened?
Okay.
Automatically you can see the image has been placed inside the frame. Still
Yeah.
my image is still here now, but it is showing
Yes.
only inside the frame area. Now let's see Control T to modify this one, and
Okay.
Alt and drag to increase the size. What happened now? Even though my size
Okay.
is bigger, only it is showing this part of an image here now.
Okay.
Now example, I can highlight this one now. Example, if I am a jewelry seller, what I'll do, I'll
Yeah.
highlight this jewelry item only. See, like this.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Like this we can do. Okay, if I'm selling any other part other than this one, and if I'm selling a flowers, I can shade the flower pictures on this one. Okay,
Okay.
if I'm selling any dressing material or any ornaments on this one, so that we can
Yeah.
select like this now. That means we are highlighting a certain portion from the image.
Yeah. Whichever is important.
Yes. So like
Okay,
this
sir.
we can do it now. So, okay.
Okay.
Easily we can manipulate.
Yes.
Okay. Now
Okay.
example,
Yes, sir.
as we are manipulating the image, can we manipulate the frame? Yes. Come to the layer
Okay.
panel. Right now image is selected.
Yeah.
You have to click the frame. So to select the frame and use Control T. Now we are modifying the frame, not image.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Even
Okay.
you can move the frame also wherever you want it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this it can be done in the Photoshop now. So we can move the frame,
Okay.
we can move the image. Now if I want to move both at a time,
Yeah.
so what to do? Click on this layer rather than clicking this individual option. Click the layer. So what happened now? You can see
Okay.
white color bonding bar.
Both are select.
Both
Yeah.
selected. Now use Control T. Now it will modify both now,
Okay. sir.
frame and as well as image. Clear this point?
Okay. Yeah.
Done. Next option. This is one elliptical frame. Again, I'll do the same thing. File option. Place embed. Select the same picture. Okay, and place it now. See. Now first thing what it
Okay.
does, whenever you are placing, it will first of all adjust the height first. Height of the
Okay.
image. Okay, if it is
Yeah.
if it is more, yes, it will go on beyond this width also. So
Mm.
like this we can increase and we can rotate it also.
Okay. Okay,
Which
sir.
part you want to show in this one, that you can show it.
Yeah.
Even if you want rotation, you can do it.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want, you can try this skew also. Horizontal and vertical skew also, we can do it also.
Okay, sir. Understood.
So this is your first, second option today. That is frame option in this one.
Frame option. Okay.
So these two options was there for the frame. Next option, that is crop tool, perspective crop, slice and slice select tool.
Okay.
Okay, so four options are there. Let's see the crop tool now. Now, even though my cropping mark is unable, if I do the cropping over here, when I release it, what
Yeah.
happened? Artboard
Oh,
will
the art-
decrease here. Because you see,
Yeah.
layer option, if I'm selecting, it is not doing anything. When I select the artboard, it is decreasing the artboard size rather than cropping the image.
Yeah.
So this is not correct way to crop this one now. So first open the picture.
Okay.
Okay, select the picture and open. Now example, I want to crop this one. Now extra portion is there. I don't want this extra portion.
Okay.
What I do, I'll take the crop tool. Okay, now adjust from the right side now. Why? Because only we want right side portion to be decreased and little left side and little bottom from all four
Okay.
side I've done this one. Then I accept it. See?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now it has easily done this one now. Now instead of this
Yeah.
one, if I place my image on this canvas, place embed, select the same picture and place it. Okay, accept it. Now use the crop tool. Now once you select the crop tool, nothing is happening over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now example, if I draw any selection also, it is not happening. See?
Yeah.
Even
Yes, sir.
if I draw from outside, what happened? It has created a separate artboard for me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it is not allowing you to crop the image in this one.
Okay.
Okay, right. So right now,
Yes.
maybe assume this is a smart object. That's the reason it is not allowing you to do this now. I'm rasterizing this one now. Rasterizing in the sense pixelated. We can say. Now we can
Okay.
see outside it is showing the cropping mark. Inside it is not showing the cropping mark.
Yes,
Means
sir.
in the artboard, even though your cropping option is selected, from outside if you
Yeah.
are drawing, it is creating a separate artboard. If you are
Yeah.
selecting this artboard, it is allowing you to crop it like this.
Oh, okay. Along with the artboard.
Yes, but what happened now? Artboard is also getting decreased.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
My image is not getting cropped on this one. I accept it now. See
Yeah.
what happened. Still, my image is there. See full image.
Yeah.
It is not yet cropped.
Right. Right.
Again, select the cropping and take the crop tool and try to adjust left side now. See, still no picture is there. Over here you can see.
Right. Yes, sir.
So there is no use of artboard when you are using the crop tool.
Okay.
Okay, means it is going to modify the budget artboard rather than modifying the image.
What? Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So means
Yeah.
whenever you are doing cropping, you have to keep in your mind that it is not going to crop your image unless and until you open a separate picture.
Separate file. Okay.
Okay. From here it is no, it cannot be done.
Okay, sir.
Now another
Understood.
option is it, and another option. Okay. Now example, if you want to do the cropping here itself, you don't want to change the document. Why? Because everything you have created, finally you want to crop it.
Yeah.
It is not allowing you. Simple option: right click on the artboard and
Yeah.
use the option called ungroup artboard. That's it.
Okay.
What happened? It will become transparent. Now you can use the crop tool and you can crop the image here. See,
Okay, sir.
this is one option which you can use it now and accept it. See what happened? The image got cropped now. You can see.
Okay.
So whenever you are doing this one, see the artboard option, and in the artboard, if you are having artboard, you have to
Yeah.
ungroup the artboard or delete the artboard from there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is what cropping option. Next one is what slicing. You can say. Sorry, perspective cropping. File open. I've shared the picture which I'm using in the document or in the
Sure, sir.
so what's it, class sessions. Same thing, you use it first,
Yeah.
then you can change and you can take your own images also.
Okay, sir.
Now perspective crop tool is there. Select this perspective crop tool. Now click the four corner points here. Now where is the first corner?
Yeah.
Over here, second corner here, third corner here, fourth
Yeah.
corner here.
Yeah.
First one, then second one, then third one over here, and fourth one on this
Yeah.
side.
Yeah.
4 points I've done this one. Later, after defining the point, also you have a chances to edit this one now.
Oh, okay.
Now you can edit completely how you want it now. Finally, when it is settled, then go
Yeah.
and use this right mark to accept it. Now see what happened? The cross image will become straight image.
Oh, okay.
So whenever you have taken the image a little cross 45-degree angle, you have used. Why? Because you cannot go back and you can capture the complete frame.
Yes.
That
Yes,
time
sir.
we take the image little 45-degree angle. That time we can make this
Okay.
image straight. What
Straight.
to do?
Okay.
What to do? Take the
Perspective.
Click
Yeah.
the 4 points.
And
Anywhere
then-
you can start. Okay.
Okay.
You can start the points from anywhere. Now go and click here, third point and fourth point on the top.
Okay, sir.
Later we can adjust width like this.
Yeah.
Similarly, height like this, or its control
Okay.
points can be taken care of this one. Zoom and try to place it exactly on the corners here, like this.
Okay. Sure, sir.
Once it is done, accept. See?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is what perspective crop tool. Again,
Crop.
don't try the image, straight image to cross. Okay, why? Because
Okay.
it cannot do that. Only cross image can be
Okay.
made it as straight image.
Okay.
For
Sure.
that one, we have another option and show you later on. Okay.
Sure.
So this is what cropping option. Now let's open
Hmm.
the file. Let's do the next option, slicing tool. Slice in the sense multiple pieces of a single part, single object. You can say.
Okay.
Now right now we are having this image which is a single piece. I want to make 3 pieces of this one.
Yeah.
This separate, and this separate.
Yeah.
So what to do? Take the slice tool and make a slicing mark on this one. Means slice this area now first.
Okay, sir.
First one. Then
Yeah.
second one.
Okay.
Okay, then third one. By mistake if you have missed it in the middle only,
Yeah.
What to do? Now go to the second option called Slice Select Tool. Click on this one, then adjust
Yeah.
it right side now. Similarly, height adjustment,
Oh, okay.
like this you can do it. Similarly, I'll do this one over here, and this one also is perfect now. See, and this is having
Okay, sir.
extra area on this one. Select this one and try to modify left side. But
Okay.
how we can identify whether it is selected or not? When you click on this one, you can see it's a brown color here now.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is nothing but that is selected area now. Like this, we
Okay,
can
sir.
do the modification.
Okay.
So one is slice tool for drawing the slice area, and slice select tool is for adjusting it.
Okay.
Okay. Once everything is done,
Yeah.
file option, export, save for web, legacy.
Okay, sir.
Here is the option, export, save for web, legacy. Then click this whatever format you want. You can take the format.
Yeah.
Okay, and then go and click the save option on this one. Now once
Okay.
you come to the save option, go to the desktop and name this as sliced. Okay, now here it is showing HTML images. I want only images on this one.
Image. Okay.
Default settings, and how many slices we have done? 3.
3.
If I say all, okay, approximately
Yeah.
you will get 13.
Oh, okay.
13 pieces you will get, but I want only my slices. That's so here
Yeah.
is the option all user slices. This one.
Okay.
Okay, once it is done, let's say save on this one. That's it.
Okay.
Now here it is showing only one single image, but output you get it multiple pieces. Now where it has created a folder for you. Open this folder.
Okay.
Now you can see the slice 3, 5, and 7.
Oh, okay, sir.
So
Okay.
now
Understood.
separate images now. This is separate, this is separate,
Yeah.
and this is separate now.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like this, you can use it in a different categories now. Generally, we use this for animation actually. Now, example, if I
Yeah.
want
Yeah.
the person should be rotated, okay, and it will be shown like this. We can do this one. In Photoshop, we can do
Okay.
that one. Example. I'll close this one. Just a simple example
Yeah.
I'm showing. New
Yeah.
document. Open it. Now, file option, place embed, or open these pictures now. Otherwise,
Yeah.
place embed can select only one picture at a time. Okay, one picture at a time. It cannot have multiple pictures. Select this one and place.
Yeah.
Okay, then accept. Again, file, place embed. Instead of this one, what we can do? We can go and we can select this one and drag and drop inside the Photoshop. Multiple pieces now. See, second and third image now. I want to animate this
Okay.
one now. Okay.
Yeah.
So I want to animate it now. So open this timeline window, go to the frame by frame animation and say create on this one. Right now it is created.
Okay.
Hide this one. Okay, hide this and display the second one. Again same thing,
Yeah.
hide and display this one now. Then again
Okay.
duplicate, display and hide on this one. Now again duplicate.
Okay.
Okay, display and hide this one. I want continuously the same thing to be repeated, but I don't want this last frame which I have taken by because already it is there. See, this
Yeah.
both are same, so I don't want this anymore
Yeah.
now. Select
Okay.
this all frames. Select this one and shift select this all from this corner. Either select the first
Yeah.
one, shift click the last one.
Okay.
Simple option. Drag and drop this one onto the duplicate frame. Duplicate frame now.
Okay,
Once again,
sir.
duplicate frame. Then again drag and drop onto the duplicate frame. To have multiple pieces, that's it now. Let's play in
Yeah,
sequence.
yeah. Okay.
Like this animation can be done.
Okay, sir.
So this is how this can be useful for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what so we have discussed the crop tool, perspective crop tool, and slice tool and slice select tool. So we
Okay,
have done
sir.
with the 1 tool, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3 options.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Yes.
so anyhow, you are having some work, I think. So you complete that work by and try to practice this all tools. Now,
Sure, sir.
tomorrow we'll take 1, 2, and 3 tools from here onwards. Three tools every day. Now, if you have
Okay.
time, little bit extra time, we'll take the 4th tool also. But again, three tools
Sure.
are comfortable, so you can easily practice
Okay.
also those. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir.
Okay. Right. Today evening you will attend or no?
Today evening, I don't think so, sir.
Okay, fine.
Tomorrow only I can
No,
attend.
done, done. What about Sunday?
Yeah, tomorrow
What's the
evening,
Sunday plan?
Sunday in normal time only, sir. Like you, we usually do that 8 o'clock.
Okay.
I mean 9 o'clock your time.
Same time.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, we'll do that.
yeah.
Okay.
All right, sir. All right, sir. I'll try this out. Thank you, sir. Okay, bye.